Hedgy's Guide to Calm. Drawings and coloring by Hedgy. Hello, my name is Hedgy. I used to be stressy, Hedgy. My mom and teacher taught me how to use my 5 superpowers to help calm myself down. 5 superpowers. Stop, look, listen, wiggle, and breathe. I am no longer stressy, Hedgy. I am now super calm, Hedgy. Use your superpowers to become a super calm you. Follow me, Hedgy, Twitter at SuperCalmHedgy, Instagram at SuperCalmHedgy, Facebook as Hedgy Calm. Original music by Hedgy.